Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day on this channel, and then my music channel in the evening. I'm the World Piano Man, and tonight we're going to have some fun. We're going to be doing the Virgin Galactic earnings, and then after the earnings, we're going to have the Virgin Galactic Rocket Man live concert on my music channel. Look below on this channel to see the details for that channel. All right, let's get straight into it. We've got a very busy evening lined up in front of us tonight. So let's get ready. Here is the overall market. It's not a great day for Virgin Galactic today. The markets are down. They want to be reporting on an up day. However, you can't control that, I'm afraid. It's all set in stone now. So what happens. There's going to be no major surprises. We know they're losing money. However, it's what they say comes next with what's important. All right, here's my overall position. As you can see, we are down today 0.33. The Roth IRA is also down 0.61, and the overall balance is 500 off a all-time high. All-time high off just $500 away, so it's not too bad at all. I've got money on hand. If you see, if I scroll up, there's my money, 863. If I need to buy some Virgin Galactic, if it drops, there's a dramatic positive sentiment, but a sell-off, I'm ready to go, okay? So I didn't pick anything up today. Let's go and have a little look at it. It didn't really go low enough for me today. So let's have a look. Here we go. Let's look at our main positions. We are down 0.33 at the moment. NVIDIA, we're going to do the earnings, it looks like. We're having a poll running right now. The S&P is down 0.25%. Before I carry on, let's read the question, read the comments. Zach is here. Hi, Eric. Ali and Stephen, welcome to you. Sensei Crypto, some Ford news. Sorry, Church. Church is not here. Where's Church been these days? Boo Eric says Mike. Keaton S. Hi all. Ford net EV income down 40%, projected down 20%. Tesla up 11.4%. Tesla sold 422,000 EVs. Ford sold 12,000 EVs. Tesla revenue 20 billion, Ford 0.7 billion. Sensei Crypto, he's having a field day here. Net EBIT margin Tesla 19.3, Ford down 102%. Oh dear. For every car they sold, they lost more than they collected from payment. Loss of 720 million this quarter in EV division. Expected to lose 3 billion this year. 32 billion in cash, but 100+ billion in debt. Oh, flipping heck. There you go. That's a run of facts there from Sensei, isn't it? Let's carry on. B. Joel, good afternoon to you. How are you this afternoon? Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic. It went up and down a little bit. It wasn't inviting enough for me. I'm holding my position, so I am up on it. Looking to buy more from my Roth IRA. There we go. Let's see what happens now. Virgin Orbit being delisted down to 5 cents a share. Rivian, it's now at $1. $1. Sorry, what am I talking about? Up 1%. I apologize. I'm down 15% on my main position, and I'm up 6.35% on my Roth position. The idea of the Roth position is just to trade and make some money. My overall position is in my Roth. It's had a week's run. It's back up the top again. Should I sell? Should I sell some Rivian? It's 6.37. It's not bad. Rivian report tonight. Available today. They are reporting after hours. It might be worth selling some Rivian. I'm up 6.5%. It's only a small amount, but it's a profit, and I won't be charged any tax on it. And I can put some money in the bank. Not too bad. It's having a nice little run. What do we think of Rivian? I mean, it's a profit, but not much. Okay, at this stage. Anyway, let's carry on. Tesla is down today 2%. 168 and down 2.3% now. Lucid, also this collapsed. Lucid is just losing $500,000 per car. Can you believe it? Apple is down 0.84. You sound like you're enjoying it, Sensei. I enjoy the banter. Amazon up 0.63. McDonald's down 0.06. Coca-Cola down today slightly. This is encouraging that these big stocks are down because they're all doing really well. Their earnings was good. It means they're being created as source of funds to go into high growth stocks. That's not always a bad thing. Okay. Good afternoon, Martin. When is the space earnings? You are there. Space earnings is right after my show. You won't miss it. Stay right where you are. Here is the space earnings. Then we've got the Virgin Galactic Rocket Man concert after party. There is the Virgin Galactic earnings. There it is in your time zone. Check it out. We'll be there. We've already got 13 likes, 6 waiting. I cannot believe it. And then straight after that, we've got the Virgin Galactic Rock and Roll Rocket Man party. There it is. Should be good. Should be good. I'm excited about it. We're all primed and ready. We're all primed and ready. We've got a great song lined up. Is there anybody out there in Did that come through on audio? Yeah, I wonder why I wasn't hearing that. That's unusual. Normally I hear those things. Let me just check something. I see there was a slight glitch there. Okay, that's all right. I thought, what? There you go. I wonder what was going on there. The Virgin Galactic song, ready to rock and roll as well, right? Okay. So I hope everybody's got their tickets for the event tonight. It's going to be a big event. Big event. All right, now we are running a few polls today. Very, very active I am today on Twitter. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers very quickly. So we've got a lot going on I'd like you to take part in right now. We've got, oh, hang on a minute. What's going on there? Let me look at that again. Why is that doing that? That's the wrong screen. How has that switched? How has that switched? Let me just check that a second. Have I not been on this screen today? That doesn't make sense. Oh, I know why. I know why. That's my mistake. I beg your pardon. It's because I added an extra screen. That makes sense. It'll be my secondary display. No, it won't. No, it won't. It'll be that one. I added some extra screens today. I just need some more screens, right? So we're running a few polls right now. We've got this BSV argument breaking out right now. Some good comments coming in. Is BSV better than BTC? This video just went out a few moments ago. And the Virgin Galactic earnings as well. We're running a poll as well. Let's scroll down the poll. Mullen and Lucid, this video, I don't know if you saw that. We're running a poll about that as well. This is the poll, just down another one, Robinhood earnings. That's tomorrow night. You like the Robinhood earnings studio now? We've got a studio just for Robinhood. Oh, yes. Okay, this is the question. Virgin Galactic, I'm asking you to vote on this. Let me give you the link in the chat right now. Vote on this. Virgin Galactic, will it be up a bit, down a bit, rocket up or tank down? So far, we got 33% saying rocket up and 26% saying tank down. So it's split between those two sentiments there. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. All right. Okay. Let's move on over. Here we go. Now then, I want this. This is as we've got a bit of time. This is for all my my real fans now, right? I want you to do a little test for me, if you wouldn't mind, and what you might notice is something different today. If you look on the homepage of the channel, these last 4 videos that came out today, what Robinhood, Mullen, the party, and BSV versus BTC, these 4 videos, I want you to have a listen to those videos compared to, say, one from yesterday. Not the lucid earnings, because I don't speak on that one. This one here. So have a listen to this one for a few seconds, and then listen to any one of these new videos. I've tried to create a radio broadcast sound. I don't know how yet to do it when I'm live, but you might notice that these last 4 videos, there's compression on them, noise reduction, and an EQ to give it more of a radio sound. So I'd be interested to know if you can tell the difference between these 4 videos, the last 4 I've done today, and say one I did yesterday. This one here. Don't use the lucid earnings because there's nothing on that audio. This one here. All right, that makes sense? Have a quick listen, just like 5 seconds of each, and come back to me and tell me if you can tell a difference. Hopefully, you'll say, oh yeah, I can tell a difference. And be honest with me. If you can't, say you can't. Don't just say it. You're all too nice. Anyway, good afternoon, Martin. When's the space earnings? Straight after this. Always good to take profit. Might tank after earnings. Yes, I know, but it's such a small earnings, a small profit at the moment. I'm sort of edging towards keeping it a bit longer. Always good to take profit. Oh, of course it is. Good afternoon, everyone, says Craig. Good afternoon, Craig. Zach is here in the house from Uganda. Dewell Voslu, nice. We're on target for 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Zach, for your fundraiser again. I'm excited about that. When I get 10,000, I can have a charity put on my channel. Really cool for Super Chats. Really cool. Can't wait for that. So stick around for that. Nice. Deweld Voslu says nice. Nitz Verald, how are you? I could tell. You could tell. Was this before I asked you, or did you just notice a difference? Nitz, did you notice a difference before I said something, or have you just listened afterwards? I'd like to know. All right, let's see what everyone says to this. I'm really interested to know. Right. Nvidia, S&P, Virgin Galactic is turning red again. Absolutely can tell the difference. Right. Now, of course, you will notice more of a difference on a good stereo. If you've got me on speakers on a big TV with surround sound, you will notice even more than you will on a phone. You should notice it on your phone, but you will notice it a lot more. You will notice it a lot more on a big sound system. The better the sound system, the more the good stuff comes out, and the more the bad stuff comes out. So there you go. I absolutely can tell the difference. Mike, did it sound better or worse? What did you think? I watched it earlier. I could tell. So Nitz, you said you could tell. Is it better or worse? Better or worse? Anyway, tell me the truth. Rivian, up 1%. Laptop, okay, reasonable speakers in a laptop, depends on your laptop, of course, but and earbuds. Oh, the earbuds should be more. You should hear more. Okay, I've not been able yet to produce it in a live show. The software I'm using isn't really that good. That I've tried isn't that good for a live stream. It's anyway, much better. Fantastic, good. I'm glad to hear that. Nice one. Good. We're trying to improve every day. The audio, the video, just about every single thing. Trying to be better and better all the time. It's funny. You think you've got to a point you can't get any better, and you absolutely can. Let me welcome everybody. I should be on Rumble right now. Yes, sounds good on Rumble. Well, on Rumble, it's live, of course. You're not hearing. You're not. I'm talking about the videos that I've produced. But anyway, let me have a quick refresh of this page. They still haven't updated my video. That's a bit frustrating. I guess they will later. They do it once a day, I think. Things don't refresh as instantly on Rumble as they do on YouTube, I've noticed. Anyway. Yes, I will stick to the family always. We are growing, and I'm glad to share that Development Alert is officially a website. Share with you yesterday on Discord. The family can check it out. Yeah, I'm making a feature of it, Zach. I'm making a feature. That's why I didn't want to just throw it away. I want to make a feature of it. So it's all about timing. If you throw something out just because it's new, it's not always the best thing to do. So I'm waiting to make the most of it. I've had a look at it, and I want to make the most of it, Zach. So stick with me, and when we do it, we'll make the most of it, okay? I had a read through last night. Thanks for sharing with me. Right, we've got 45 minutes to go. Now then, tonight we've got the... first of all, we've got the Virgin Galactic earnings. This is the link if you want to be the first person to be there. Here we go. We've got 14 likes already. It's a record, and 8 waiting. I've never seen anything like it. It's phenomenal. There's the Virgin Galactic earnings. And then that will go straight after the earnings. We will go straight to the Virgin Galactic after party. And there is that link. All right, 2 very different links. One on this channel and one on the music channel. Okay. All right. Should be good. We've been rolling around the subscribers today. Really, look at things have been absolutely exploding today. Been really, really busy. It's really good. Absolutely. Thank you, Martin. You're very welcome. You're very, very welcome. NVIDIA down 1.82. We're going to cover that on I think the 19th of May. I'm going to add it later on. No, 24th of May. I'm going to add that to the program. We've added a few more today to the program for you as requested. If you go upcoming live streams, you will actually see there's actually quite a few we've added for you. We've got hang on. We've got the Mullen earnings coming up. We've got, what else have we got coming up? We've got quite a lot. IonQ, Rumble earnings, Arrivals earnings. That's May 16th. Virgin Galactic tonight. Tomorrow's Robinhood. Look at all this lot. We've got loads of stuff coming up for you. Absolutely great. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Ready for that. Let's go back to the main positions. Down 0.38. Let's check the main news right now from Bloomberg and Sky News. Let's see if we've got anything important yet. Nothing particularly interesting on Bloomberg, and on Sky News the same. Nothing I want to bring to you right now. Oh, Donald Trump has been found guilty of sexually abused that lady.
Different way, would you struggle to work? Would you resign instead of defending him if he told you to do that?
Well, look, Wilbur, as I just said, look, I'm literally hearing this as you're reading it. So the first thing I would do is get all the facts, and I would try to understand what the nature of it was. I honestly, as an American that has heard about this for a while, wasn't even aware that this was one of the charges that was available. So I didn't even know that. My understanding from the American media was this was entirely a case about rape. I didn't know that this was a charge that was even available to the jury. So I would be asking lawyers what this means, what the difference between the two charges were in terms of what the legal ramifications were and what the judge's orders were. But I mean, the first thing would be to do exactly what I'm doing now, which is to understand the nature of the law, because I don't know it. And I'm hearing it as you're putting it out.
There we go. So,
Okay. I mean,
Trump has been
it's
found
sexual
guilty,
assault,
awards
and it's $5 million
in damages.
of damages. So I don't know exactly.
But again, I think I've made clear it is never a good thing. So I just want to be clear on that. I'm not in any way trying to dismiss the severity of a charge. There is a difference in our judicial system between
we'll come
civil
back to that if there's any more information. But there you go. Donald Trump has been found guilty of abuse, sexual abuse. Okay, where does it go now? Okay. All right. Aaron has requested, can you do a video on latency arbitrage? Let's go, Mullins. I can only make videos at request for the members. I've got lots of things that my members have asked me to do. And if you want me to make a video specifically for you, I can, but you need to be a member of my show. You can then send in links that you want me to use in it. You can talk to the family. You get many, many perks and benefits, and I can put that out. So if you want to be a member of the family, then you can request a video, okay? I can't, I have to focus on the members. 95% of my live viewers are members. It's one of the perks of being a member. I will make videos wherever possible if it's relevant for the show, and that would be. So anyway, if you want to be a member, I've given you the link in the chat. And if you do, then I can take a look at it. Other than that, it has to wait for there to be nothing on my desk. And right now, I've got lots of things to do for members. So I have to prioritize my members. Hey, Zach, mate, how are you? Ali Isles is here. Not guilty. Another fast by the deep state, says Crag. Invite to join. Sorry, I'm just reading out my own comments. Invite to join. I'm good, mate. How are you? So can Donald Trump not run for president now? I've no idea. He's now a criminal. He's now got a criminal record. I don't know. Can you? I don't know. Is the honest answer for that? No idea. No idea. Maybe someone could tell us. Anyway, we're getting ready. We've got just over half an hour to go. He can run for prison. That's quite funny. I'll give you that. Hassan El, I'll give you that one. That's funny. That's actually quite funny. He can run for prison. I'll give you that one. All right, Virgin Galactic tonight. That's why the studio is dressed up in Virgin Galactic colours. We're getting all ready for Virgin Galactic tonight, of course. The Virgin Galactic song is here. All the money I make from this song, I spend on Virgin Galactic stock. So far, it's made about $20. That's all. I was going to spend up to $1 million. Here's the Virgin Galactic song. Here's a quick clip. It's just type Virgin Galactic song, Martyn Lucas, and you'll. Is there anybody out there in space? And we'll hear more of that later on in the show, but not for now. Predictions for Mullen earnings. Predictions for Mullen earnings. Well, Mullen earnings is May 19th, pre-market. We will be covering it, Aaron. Anyway, I will give you the link to the Mullen earnings, and it's upcoming. So let me scroll along. Rumble, let me see, got a few more earnings. Mullen, let me scroll down. I've got so many earnings coming up. Mullen, have I put Mullen in yet? I'm sure I have. Oh, there it is. I couldn't see it for the trees. Okay, there's the Mullen earnings. If you want to be the first person to comment, share it on social media, then you are very welcome. Go ahead. There is the Mullen earnings. I'll post it twice so you can see it. So if you want a specific video made to answer your question, consider becoming a member of our channel, and then I can do it for you. All right. Okay. We've got just over half an hour to go, and we're getting ready for the Virgin Galactic earnings. 14 likes now, 11 waiting. It's going to be a massive night on our channel tonight by all counts. So we are looking forward to it. All right. Nvidia is down. The S&P is down. It's a shame the markets are down today, because if the markets were up and bullish and everyone was buying in, it would have been much, much better for Virgin Galactic tonight. However, the markets are down, and that's, not particularly good. Anyway, 5.78%. Should I sell my Rivian tonight? I've got my long-term position. So I've got a position over here, which is 15% down, because I've got an average of $16 as the price. But on my Roth IRA, I've got a profit. I'm up 5.66. It's having a nice little rally. It's gone up 10% this week. It's pretty good. I don't know if we're going to get much better than this when the earnings comes out. I don't expect particularly any good news. What do you think? I mean, shall we have a look and see what the price target of Rivian is? I think we should do that right now, actually. The jury has said Donald Trump did not rape accuser. He just abused her. He did not rape her, he abused her. So there's two different charges. Okay, he did not rape her, but he abused her. Okay, so Trump's accuser awarded $5 million in damages. There you go. So she's rich now anyway. All right, Robert Kennedy Jr. will be running for president in 2024. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. will be running for president in 2024. Thank you, Nitz, for that information. All right. I can't say my prediction for the Mullen earnings right now, Aaron. To be honest, I don't know right now. I'd need more time to make my judgment. Right now, I don't know. I'd need to look at the figures. Is it true that there were no eyewitnesses on the Trump case? Correct. There were no eyewitnesses. It was he said, she said situation. Yeah, there was nobody who witnessed it at all. So she said he did it. He said he didn't. That's all we got. So it is what it is. So let's do that right now. Let's go over to Rivian and look for a price target. So Rivian stock price target. Let's have a look at what Rivian's price target is. High $44, low 14, average 25, current price 13. So the Rivian price target is the low of where it is now. So that's what I'm saying. That doesn't mean anything, of course. It's just analysts making their thoughts known. But it's, I don't know if it's worth selling right now. If it goes down, would I buy more? Well, probably not. She waited long enough to make an allegation. It's true. Waited a very long time, says Craig, indeed. So is Rivian Automotive Analyst Ratings Consensus is a moderate buy. This is based on the ratings of 18 Wall Street analysts. Is Rivian expected to rise? The 20 analysts offering 12-month forecast for Rivian. Medium target at 25, high is 44. Okay. I'm not really sure why, because Rivian loses money. Not as bad as Lucid, but I wouldn't mind taking some profit. I've got a long-term position, which is I'm out of the money. So if I've got some profit on this, why not? I'm up 5.85%. It's not much. It's only $46, but $46 is much better than if it goes down 10% on the earnings. And at the end of the day, it's $837 I've got in my buying power. Should we want to pick something up? So we'll keep an eye on it. If it does really well on earnings, might trim off. I don't know what it's going to do, honestly, but my focus has to be on Virgin Galactic tonight. That's what this is all about this afternoon. Anyway, back to that stock. Not a lot to say until the bell goes. When the bell goes, everything's all going to break loose. So get ready for some excitement in the next half an hour. Virgin Galactic just turned green again. Let's see how many people are joining me on Rumble tonight. 9 watching, 73 followers. Yay! We started the day with 70. We're trying to get to 100 followers on Rumble in the first 2 weeks. Very exciting. So here is my Rumble. If you've not yet tuned into Rumble, there I am. I'm on Rumble right now, and we've got 8 watching with 4 likes. And we compare that to YouTube. We've got on YouTube, we've got 35 watching with 17 likes. So YouTube is without doubt winning, but it's good to see that Rumble is climbing so quickly. 73 followers, brilliant. Really, really exciting that. Don't forget to press the live button. The live button on Rumble and YouTube. Yeah, absolutely. Really good. Okay. Rivian. Tesla. Not too bad today. I mean, I'm down 2%, but we've really turned it around in the last couple of weeks. We was down as low as 153, so it's getting better. At 189, I will sell 2 shares, just trim off the top. But did you hear yesterday for Tesla? It's now refining its own lithium. Elon Musk didn't want to do it, but they're doing it now, and they're ramping that up. So they're going to make their own lithium for their own batteries. That's where Tesla just heads and shoulders ahead of people like Lucid or Rivian or anyone for that matter. So I'm very bullish long term on Tesla now. Anyway, I like that. When I heard they were making their own lithium, I thought, well, refining. They can't make their own lithium. They're refining it. And I thought, whoa, that's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. They didn't want to do it, but they're doing it because others aren't doing it fast enough, apparently. Anyway, there we go. Don't forget the live, said Ali Isles. I just had an idea. If I could I've just had an idea. I wonder if it would make a difference. It probably would. Yes, I've just had a wonderful idea. I'm always trying to make things better, and I've just had an idea. Anyway. You're thinking, what's he talking about now? Anyway. Yeah. I wonder if I wrapped... I'm thinking out loud. Forget me. So I didn't get any more people answer my question. Earlier on, I asked you to check something for me. Literally watch 5 seconds of something for me. I've just changed my sound settings in my studio for my recorded videos. So just a couple of hours ago, I released these 4 videos. And what I was asking you, pick one of these 4 videos. It doesn't matter. Listen to the first 5-10 seconds. It doesn't matter. Okay, I don't normally want you to do that, but in this case, it's fine because I want your opinion. Listen to one of these 4 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Robinhood, right? Compare it to one I did yesterday. Not the Lucid earnings because there's no audio from me, but compare it to the Virgin Galactic earnings crew details. This one here. Have a quick listen, 5-10 seconds of each. Listen to that one from yesterday and pick any one of these for 5 to 10 seconds and listen to it and tell me what you think. Can you hear a difference and how would you describe it? I'd like your thoughts on that. It'd be really, really helpful if you can. Right, 25 minutes to go. Here is the earnings for Virgin Galactic. If you want to get your front row seat. And then straight after that, we have got the after show party, rock and roll, Rocket Man, the Virgin Galactic after hours party. There's the link for that one. Okay. Martin, is it possible that Nvidia is your biggest position that you rarely think about? Earnings on the 24th. Yeah, it could well be the case. It could well be the case, but you have to remember, right? If Nvidia, for some reason, underperformed, went bust, whatever, the S&P would drop and something would replace it. They constantly replace failing companies with newer and better profitable companies. So if you own Nvidia and it goes down and you lose money. If Nvidia and Apple, which are parts of, and Tesla and Microsoft and Apple, I already said that. They're all parts of Nvidia, all parts of the S&P. If for some reason they failed, which they're not going to, but if they did, they'd be replaced. The S&P would bounce back and hold up, and that's why it's a diverse portfolio. You can forget it and not worry about it, and the reality is you'll probably be up. Not probably, you will be up in 20 years, which is what you need ultimately anyway, right? Okay. I've not heard Piano Man in a while. I think I deserve it. Hallie Isles. I think I deserve it. Well, that depends if you come to the party, doesn't it? If you don't come to the party, you can't have it. So it's up to you, isn't it? You want to come to the party? Then fair enough. You don't want to come to the party? Then you won't hear it, will you? All right. All right. Nvidia. What dilution of space? What dilution of space stock means? What does dilution mean? Andrew Tronics. Okay. I have to focus on my members, so I'm going to give you a brief answer. If you become a member, I can go into the explanation much more, but I have to focus on my members. Here is invitation to join, but I will give you the quick answer. Andrew, a company needs to raise money to exist. Unless it's just making profits hand over fist. When a company starts off, it needs to raise capital. It's why companies go public, not because they like the public or just fancy the idea. They do it to raise money. So they sell shares, they sell part of their company to get an injection of cash to build the company. Makes sense, right? It's like a loan, if you like, but you don't pay it back. You pay it with profits, if you like. Anyway, so when a company needs to raise funds, if it's losing money or if it hasn't made money for a while, it does what's called a dilution. It sells more shares. It releases more shares of the company. So it raises more money. But of course, more shares it sells, the more shares it makes available, the less the shares are worth individually. If there's only one share of $1 million company, that one share is worth $1 million. If there are, two shares of $1 million company, each share is worth 500 million on day one. Okay, so if Virgin Galactic have, I don't know how many shares are outstanding right now, but whatever it is, let's say it's 100 million, and they release another 100 million to get some money in, right? Then it devalues all the stocks, all the shares for the shareholders. Everyone's shares are worth less because there's double the amount, right? Makes sense. There's more shares, so they're all worth less. They're not worth the same, they're worth less. They're not as rare. Think of it that way. It's like gold. So they're all worth less. Now, a company doesn't want to do that unless it has to. It tries to do it other ways because it's kind of like, dumping on the shareholders. However, it's good for the company to do it if they can make money from the money. So if they can raise cash, buy some more rockets, make their company more profitable, it's good for the shareholder long term. It just hurts short term. But they don't want to do it in the short term, when the stocks are down. They want to do it when the stocks are high. So they get more money. If they released 10 shares today, they would get the value of the shares today. And right now the shares are $4.08. They're going to dilute, no question about it. But they want to dilute when it goes to $20, $30. Then they will get more money. All right? That's what it's all about. That's the short answer. If you remember, I can go into more detail, but I hope that helps. Anyway, Ali Isles has anyone heard from Tom lately? No, we haven't. He's still around. He pops up on Instagram all the time. He's still getting married to this lady. I'm a friend of Tom's, but I've never seen a picture of her. I've asked lots of times, and he keeps sharing the same selfie on Instagram. So we're all a bit concerned, what's going on. He's getting married like next month, and no one has seen any pictures or any information of the wedding or of this lady. We just keep seeing the same picture posted, which is a selfie, and draw from that as you will. But Tom hasn't come into the show. There we go. That's all I can say. What's up, everybody? Ale from Italy, Paddy from Italy. Hey, our Italian contingent is here. What about you, Ali? You're always happy to have you in the show. Yes, Arrival to the Moon. Arrival. Shall we have a quick look at Arrival? David is not a member of our channel, so we can't review it deep dive. But we'll have a quick look. I can tell the difference, but they are both good. I have no preference. Keep in mind, my hearing is terrible. Thank you, Nitz. I appreciate you taking the time to answer for me. I appreciate it. Okay. Not so many news from him, but it was his birthday yesterday. Yes, I saw that. It's a shame he didn't come in. We'd have wished him happy birthday. Arrival. Hi, Eric. I'm glad to see you. Oh, weird. I hope he's okay. Maybe she's taking up all his time and he's busy for now. Yes, maybe that's the case. Anyway, let's have a quick look at Arrival. Arrival, ARVL. ARVL. We did a poll this morning about Arrival on Twitter. It's down 7.5% now. I am in Arrival, I think. Am I? No, I'm not. I got out of it. Okay. I got out of it. It's up this week 22%, down today 7%, but yeah, I wouldn't get that excited about Arrival. It's I'm not quite so sure David's sentiment has got any weight. Arrival, 99% down. I don't really know what to say about Arrival. We are running a poll on Arrival if you want to take part in that. Let me have a look at it. I put it on here earlier. Let's have a little look. Nvidia, BSV. We've got a lot of votes on that one right now. Here we go. Yes, this is the vote. This is our biggest poll, I think. Our biggest poll. It's happening right now. Which car company is the best to invest in? Mullen, Tesla, Arrival, or Lucid? It's over on my Twitter account. If you'd like to vote on that and share that and retweet that and get the armies involved, there is the Twitter post. I'll post it twice so you can... Oops, what's that? What happened there? There you go. I think that worked. Anyway, there you go. Go and check it out. Arrival, they have done me dirty. I'm down a few months' wages with them. I hate Arrival, says Ali Isles. Well, maybe you should comment on that post. Hi, Ali. Arrival in the bin, not to the moon. We got difference of opinion there. All right, we got 15 minutes to go. Now, Rivian. If Rivian popped up, I would sell it. If Rivian popped up 10... did a sudden pop up, I would absolutely sell my Rivian. So I'm going to get ready for that, actually. Virgin Galactic I'm looking to buy. So let me go into my Roth IRA and let's go to Rivian right now and get ready to sell if it pops up. I've got... 60, I would sell 59. If we had a sudden 10% jump and we could get it right on the bell, or 10 minutes after, more likely, I would sell that. Virgin Galactic, we're looking to buy it. And that's what we're looking to do there. Very different strategy. Andrew Tronics, we had good news. Test flight coming this month. Next month, the commercial flights will start for SBC. Why the price don't pump up and why you don't buy more stocks? Well, I've got my opinion. You know, I've shared it hundreds of times. It's all about balance of portfolio. Overall, I'm up consistently every day making money. I'm protecting my money. It's very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. You know, there's a place and a strategy I stick by, not just buying it regardless. It's very weak right now, and you know, it's not taken off. The big money hasn't come in. The institutions aren't buying it yet. It's still very speculative. There's no real excitement yet. Anyway, get ready. Hi, Rob Brennan is here. Fantastic. Hiya, Rob. So can anybody else tell me, here is the Virgin Galactic earnings. We've got 15 minutes to go. Here is Virgin Galactic earnings. Be the first person to go there. It's on our homepage, and there's the link. And then right after that, we've got the earnings for, we've got the after hours party, Virgin Galactic after hours party. There it is. Getting excited about that. Let me give you a link to that. Now then, as I've got everybody with me today, which is really, really great, we are trying to get to 100 followers on Rumble in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. We're live right now. Here's my Rumble account. We've got 8 watching there right now. There is Rumble. Let me give you the link there. I've got 73. So if you could open another tab and just sign up for, it's free, Rumble. They're trying to replace YouTube. It's very interesting to be part of it, as I'm investing in Rumble anyway, and we're going to cover the earnings. Just jump into Rumble. There is Rumble right now. You can see it running there. There are no restrictions with Rumble. I can do and say what I like. Anyway, got 73 right now, 9 watching. So if you could, it would be really, really great. Okay. I'm all good. I just had to tune to space earnings for old times. Oh dear. Rob, don't say it like that. Don't say it like that. I'm in a good mood here. You're going to put me in a bad mood now. Arrival going down, now down 8.61 today. When's Arrival earnings? May 15th. After hours, yeah, we can't do that one because we're doing Rumble. Rob, it still makes me wince when I think about you and space. Oh, yes, it makes us all feel the same way. And Rob Brennan was is one of our biggest supporters to our channel. Did so much to help our channel when we first started off. We really do appreciate Rob. Yeah, I think he was a gold member at one point, and he sponsored the what was it? The Kickstarter campaign and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, Virgin Galactic is just down now. We've just 10 minutes to go, 12 minutes to go, in fact, and we're getting ready. Now, we're going to end this show on the bell. We're then going to go over to the Virgin Galactic earnings, and then we're going to go over to the Virgin Galactic party. So there's a lot going on in all of this. So you have to join me for the whole evening. It's going to be a big night tonight, a big night. Hopefully it's going to go our way. If it goes down, I buy more. If it goes up, I will trim what I buy if it bounces quick. We're also going to try and trim off Rivian if we should get, in the next few minutes, a bounce. Or not a bounce, rather. We've had a bounce already, but a rally. It's fine. I'm over happy with how life is at the moment, so it's fun to watch the space earnings without being stressed about it. I get it. I'm good, thanks, Paddy. Looking forward to space earnings, hoping all goes well. There we go. All right, excellent stuff. Tesla moving up. Lucid moving up. Apple. Lucid now down. Awful earnings last night. Peter Rawlinson was slated on our Twitter poll today. Absolutely awful. So we're running a poll right now. Let me scroll to the top. A lot of action today on our Twitter account. Really growing fast now. Virgin Galactic, where is the poll? I'm running a poll here somewhere. There's Robinhood. So much going on. There's the poll I'm looking for. All right. What will it do on earnings? Pop up, rocket up, tank down, up a bit, down a bit. I've given you the choices. Here is the link to the Twitter post. Go and vote. Leave your comments. I'll give it you 3 times so you can see it. Here it is. This is the question I'm asking you. Will Virgin Galactic on earnings go up a bit, down a bit, rocket up, or tank down? 35% now is in favor of it tanking down. There we go. We've only had 17 votes, only had 1 retweet. I'm surprised for the passionate people of Virgin Galactic, they wouldn't retweet it. But we shall see what happens on that one very soon. Cooning Moment, hello from France. I would like to welcome our French guest in this afternoon. Let me go back to Virgin Galactic. We're getting ready. Rivian still not moving, and I'd like to make a special welcome to our French guest. Up a bit, in my opinion. In that case, then go and vote. Then, Rob, go and vote. Okay, here we go. Let me have your say. Everyone gets a say on this channel. Let's go into Google Translate. This is where I like to go in here, and we'll do it in French this time. In French. There we go. So, cocooning. Welcome cocooning from France, and welcome all our guests from France and around the world. It's lovely to have you here on the show.
Bienvenue Cocooning de France et bienvenue à tous nos invités de France et du monde. C'est un plaisir de vous avoir ici sur le salon.
It sounded so good, I'm going to play it again.
Bienvenue Cocooning de France et bienvenue à tous nos invités de France et du monde. C'est un plaisir de vous avoir ici sur le salon.
Crag, I wish that everything could be fine. Crag, that's great. Hale, bet you can't wait to get out driving. Welcome from Italy. Cocooning moment. Indeed, cocooning moment. Oh, this is good. We've got a celebration here from Ali Isles. Cocooning moment. We've got one other guest from France. He's a member of our channel. If you'd like to be a member of our channel, let me give you the link here to becoming a member. If you become a member, you can call into the show. We can celebrate your birthday. I'm the World Piano Man. And behind me in the studio, we will celebrate your birthday for you. And you get to keep the video. I sing happy birthday for you at the piano. We'll also do fundraisers for you. We can promote your YouTube channel, promote your business. If you want to sponsor the channel, you can have videos made for you. I will reply to all your questions. I will tag you in my viral posts. We have the best membership. 95% of our live viewers are members, higher than any other channel on YouTube. I'm very, very proud of that. Anyway, we've got 7 minutes to go. And we've got a celebration here. Ali Isles has been a member of our channel for 13 months. He's got a gold badge, soon to get his red YouTube badge. Very, very nice indeed. Ali, thank you for all your support to the channel. Thank you very much indeed. So we're going to celebrate. We're going to celebrate with Ali right now. Are you ready? It's a member for 13 months in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Hey! Brilliant. I love it. Thank you ever so much, Ali. 13 months you've been a member of our channel. That's incredible, isn't it? Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much indeed. From Biarritz, wonderful to have you here. Wonderful. I've done the Champs-Élysées. I've played in Paris. I've entertained in Brittany and Bologna, all over the place. in France. Lovely country. Went all across Europe, and thank you very much for being here. Lovely to have you with us. If you'd like to take part in our Twitter, I post my links, what I'm doing before and after the show, and everything else. Here is our Twitter information, should you wish to take part in that. I definitely deserve Piano Man. I think you always deserve the Piano Man. 13 months of putting up with me, I think, is worth it, worthy of it, isn't it? Cocooning moment, just checking in. Delph was watching Real City. Love you, Martin. Thank you. You are a god, and we love your show. Delph, where are you from? What a wonderful comment there. What a wonderful comment. Love you, Martin. We all love your show. How nice is that? Where are you from, Delph? What part of the world are you from? I don't think I've seen you before. Anyway, it's lovely to have you here. What part of the world are you from? 5 minutes to go. The earnings is coming up. Boom, boom, boom. Alex is here. You're international. Yes, we go out to 13 different languages. This show is translated. If you look below in the subtitles, you can have it in 13 languages, as well as English, Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, and Turkish. And during the show, you have the title and description in all those languages. And very often after the videos, I will upload the transcript as well. From Belgium. Delph, of course, Delph Pottery. Delph Pottery, that makes sense, right? And Delph, so let me Belgium. Let me do some Belgium for you. Hang on, which is it German Belgium, isn't it? I think. What is the? I forgot now. What is the language? It's not. What is the language of Belgium? It is. It isn't. I think it's German. I can't think what it is. I've had this before and I've forgotten. Can you remind me, please? We speak Dutch. That's it. I'm like so frustrated. And anyway, okay. So let me do this for you then. Delph Pottery. The information was there. I just couldn't think of it. Okay. Welcome, Delph, to the show, and all our friends from Belgium. I've performed once in Spa. Very nice country, and welcome to all of you from Belgium.
Welkom Delph bij de show en al onze vrienden uit België. Ik heb een keer opgetreden in Spa, heel mooi land, en welkom aan jullie allemaal uit België.
Stock market plan. Yes, there are over 100 of me on TikTok, I'm afraid. I keep reporting to TikTok that I want to get verified, and I'm not famous enough, they said. So in no certain terms. So yes, unfortunately, that is the fact of it. I can't fix that. I keep reporting them every day. There's a fake TikTok profile out there. The only difference is the investor is spelled with a lowercase. Yes, they always spell my name incorrectly or something like that. It's not Martyn Lucas Investor lowercase. There's more than that. There'll be a one letter different. The I might be an L. If you look closely, you will notice more than that. But yes, I have to deal with that, I'm afraid, every single day. They speak French, Dutch, and also German. I will report. Thank you. I'm always reporting. There's over 100. Every week I get a friend request from you on Discord mine. I bet you do. I bet they're always trying to sell you something too, aren't they? All right, here we go. The bell's about to go. And we are going to ring the bell this afternoon. And the bell is sponsored by Sensei Crypto. If you want to sponsor our show, you can. Who is sponsoring the bell? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Who's sponsoring the bell? It's sponsored by Sensei Crypto, of course. He's ringing that bell. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. Ooh, ooh. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. All right, here we go. As sponsored by Sensei Crypto. Here in the house, there he is. We're going to ring the bell in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. The bell has now gone. Sensei Crypto, thank you ever so much indeed for sponsoring our show again this afternoon. All right, he pays about $1,000 every single time I ring the bell. It's getting very expensive now. I'm thinking any minute now he's going to run out of money. It's amazing how much money he's got. All right, okay, let's have a quick look now. I'm from Belgium, Schiffeler Steven. Yes, you are indeed. What about the BE people? What's about the BE people? I know, it's pretty good, right? Rivian, you said you performed there a lot. I understand some Dutch. Yes. Dutch, French, German. Okay. We're watching Rivian. It's up 5% at the moment. It's holding. We've got Virgin Galactic. We're watching it. We're going to end the show very, very quickly now because I've got to get set for the Virgin Galactic earnings. It actually starts in under an hour from now, but I'll be here early so we can be ready. Okay. So we haven't got time to do day trader of the day or roll the credits today. I'm afraid we have to go straight. In fact, we have to roll the credits because we got a celebration. So we have to roll the credits. So let me get out of here right now. Get ready. And roll the credits right now. We got new subscribers, Joshua Armstrong, Tartarin Samurai, and members Ali Isles this afternoon. Thank you very much indeed. Don't take my drone as debt reclaiming. That's right, Ali. As I have to pay for my computer, I'm selling items on eBay, and I just sold my drone to Ali. I've got to find $4,000 to pay for my drone. To pay for my computer. As I upgraded the studio, I had no choice. The computer broke, and I had to. I've got to start selling stuff. Anyway, Virgin Galactic. Rivian, we're watching it. So let's get out of here. I'm going to give you the link now one last time. Here is the Virgin Galactic earnings. I'll be there in a few minutes. You want to get there now? I'll be there in a few minutes time. There's the Virgin Galactic earnings, and then right after that we'll be back with the what is it? What are we doing? We're doing the Virgin Galactic Rocket Man concert, and there is that. That'll follow the earnings. So get ready. Rivian is just going down. No surprise there, but it's had a nice little bounce. It's dropping off right now. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, that's it from me. See you back in a few minutes' time for the earnings. It's going to be a very big night, plus all the music, the polls. It's all going off. See you back in a few minutes. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of your crypto, your money, and of course, as most importantly, each other. I'll be back in a few minutes with the earnings. Get yourself over there, get ready, buckle up. We're going into space. We've got a big night. See you back in a minute. Bye-bye for now.